Hello everyone and welcome back to What Knowledge. So in this video I am having Grandstream newly launched Wi-Fi 6E router which is GWN7062E, and this is the home router and it comes with multiple features. Let me show you. So this router comes along with parental control features and security firewall options and safe search option. Then it comes with the math feature. So in the math feature, you can connect other Grandstream same router in the math mode and can be used as a Wi-Fi repeater. So that will be connected to this main router, and the sub router will be connect wirelessly and share the Wi-Fi further connected devices. Then it supports all the VPN profiles like WireGuard, IPsec, OpenVPN, PPTP, L2TP profiles. And in this video, I'm going to tell you the main and very good features of this router. So this router can be paired up with any router of ISP and can be used as a Wi-Fi repeater with that router. For that configuration, you need to navigate to the system option and the working mode option. So here we have three options. One is router mode, which is the default mode, and in that mode the router is connected. This main router is connected to the internet, and then further clients will be connected to the Wi-Fi or the LAN of this device. Then if you have already internet router, main router, then you can connect it in a wireless relay mode or in wireless bridge mode. So in the wireless relay mode, this Grandstream router will be connected from the main router with the Wi-Fi, and on the further devices, like a distance of new devices will be connected to this Grandstream sub router of its Wi-Fi. So it will just broadcast the same SSID of main router and will work as a repeater. And in the wireless bridge mode, it will connect to the main router from the Wi-Fi and then further gives LAN output to the network devices. Like you will connect a switch of the LAN port of this router and then connect the network devices. So I'm going to show wireless relay mode, and the repeat bridge mode is same functioning. So just testing this wireless relay mode. Now click on the wireless relay mode and click on save option. Now confirm to switch to wireless relay mode. After switching, all sub nodes managed by the device will be automatically unbound. Click on switch, and here we have main router and this device. So we'll start preparation and click on the next. Now it will scan available nearby Wi-Fi SSIDs. So it has detected few Wi-Fi. Once it searches completely, we will connect. So the searching is complete and we can connect to the specified SSID. So I'm connecting to the VoIP Knowledge 5G band. Now click on the next option and give the Wi-Fi password of your main router SSID. And now it is restarting. And in the wireless relay mode, you can connect any system directly on the LAN port of this device, but cannot connect switch, because then this device will looking for DHCP from the switch side. So better to connect with the single device like laptop or PC. And if you want to connect the switch from the router LAN port, then use wireless bridge mode. That is a recommended mode for connecting the switch. So let's wait for complete restart. And as we were logging the device from the 80.1, its default IP series, now it will get the IP from main router, my home router. And now you can see, I'll show you. My system is directly connected to the LAN port of this router, and I have received the IP address of my home router IP series. Now to check the router login page, we have to check the IP address of this. So I'm running advanced IP scanner tool. You can use any scanning tool. Now I'm filtering the MAC address. So it will show only the Grandstream MAC address series. So now you can see the IP address of this Grandstream router is 192.168.29.116, and from the same IP we will log in. Okay, so this is the IP received to this router from the main home router. And here you can see the working mode is now set to wireless relay mode, and it is connected to the VoIP knowledge SSID. Similarly, we can use the wireless bridge mode, and on this we have limited options, like we can upgrade the firmware of this device. We can do diagnostics like ping and trace route. We can take the debug log. We can have SSH remote access of this device. Then we have basic settings, like we can set the country, region, time zone, NTP server, and LED indicator schedules and reboot schedule. Then we have access management, so we can change the admin password, user account, and access control. We can modify the HTTPS port. We can disable, enable SSH, and we can modify the SSH port. Then we have security firewall, and we can enable basic security defense. So this way you can configure your Grandstream home router GWN7062E or ET in a repeater mode with your home router. And if you wish to change, then you can just select the previous mode and just save, then the device will be restarted. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel and comment if you like this video.